Map number 10 or 20, whatever you call that. Baby, map number 20, 20th race. Alright, it's the 20th medium race. Let's see what this next race is gonna be. Dito na ako. Mahusay naman kayo. Punta ka na dito. Halika. Dito na kayo sa map number 20, kung saan magagawa nyo lahat yung mga corruption dito sa bansa namin. Lalo na sa Pilipinas, o sa Korea, o ano. Pero, you have to play nice. Ito na. Wah! Wah! Oh, come on. Let's do this, yo. At least I can enjoy my race in peace. Move it. Logging that red shield did not affect me. That's one thing I should say. Whoa, what the fuck? Ate Mel. Mel Tianco, you're following me. What the fuck? Whoa, Ate Mel, don't be there. Pero okay lang yan. What the fuck? Alright, sakit. Pero okay lang yan, Ate Mel. Babawi ka na lang dyan. Good job, Ate Mel. Oh, nice. God, so wide around here. Uy, ano yan? May kidlat? Sana wala? Oh my God. Susunod yung parang ko, Ate Mel. Whoa! Whoa, galing mo talaga, Ate Mel, ha? Mag-overtake na ako. Ouch! Whoa! Sister po, tatawid na ako. Uy, nasaan na si June? Oh my God. Lapit na yun, ha? Ilang yan, Ate Mel. Mauna ka na. Dahil, oh my God. Wow, hanep. Hindi ko nakita yun, ha? Dito na lang. Boss. Sorry, may defense mechanism ako. Bulag ka ba? Nagtado ba? Uy, nasaan na? Ay ba? Uy, wag. Ay, salamat sa Diyos, may kitla. Para wala akong problema sa pupunta sa labang pool. Ay, salamat, thank the Lord. Sige, ready mo. Nice. Sino mauna? Una ka na. Wala? Nice. Ay, Joe. Excuse ako, ha. Nice. Here they come. The bike racers. Here comes Kuya. Who's this? Oh my God, here comes Kuya. Kuya Critical, he's already on the move. Come on, hurry up! Oh my God! Oh, lapit na yan. Akala ko kasi may ano yun, may mushroom dyan. Pero yun pala, iwan ko lang natin yan. Pero okay lang yan, salamat sa Diyos. Ito. Weh, sino nagtapan yung... Ouch! Aray! Sige, kaya mo yan. Kumukula ka, okay lang yan. Ay, nabunawin kita, Kuya Pills. Ano may balak mo sa sunod? Sana Lord, may blue shell. Ay na, gawin mo na. No, I don't need that. Careful. Whoa! Astika! Boy, nasa na? Whoa! Ay, nako, ano ba yan, Ate? Who's this? Ate Vicky Morales? Ang bagal mo. Una na ako, mabubisit ka. Yan! Lopit na! Lopit na talaga! Sayang! Pero kailan yan? Dahil may chance bumawi. Wow! Nice! Wow, ano nangyari kay Sofia Pablo, Tanya Ramos, o Shanti? Bakit naging 11 siya? Yo, bro. You look so quiet today. Are you okay? Yeah, bro. I just got flu. Oh, let me feel it. Oh, you're having a fever. I think maybe you should take a rest. Yeah, aside from taking a rest, it's time for another... commercial break. Boo! Commercial break na naman tayo. Pahinga muna tayo. Kain na naman tayo sa mga snacks. I got some snacks here. You wanna see? Sarap to, di ba? Wow, sarap! Mommy! Nasaan yung kutsara, tenador? Kaya na tayo. O chopsticks. Sarap. Uy, sarap yan. Dilain ko na. Yay! Let's eat some pancit! Ano yan, Rapi? Pancit Manabon? Pancit Manabon yan. Sarap. Oh, sarap naman yan. Tikman ko na. Yummy. I also have a good healthy snack for the kids. And those are pears. Who wants some pears? Baby, let's eat some pears. Baby. Fruit is what we need. Baby Daisy, where are the fruits? Here they are. Yum. Yummy. I love it. I love the fruits. They were so delectable. See, Mario? I told you that's even more delectable than all your junk food. Your junk food is just a junk. Yeah. If you ask me, let's get some junk food. Where's some 7-Eleven? Where are the 7-Eleven hot dogs? Come on. Rover, where's my problem? Ah! You don't really need that after all. Baby. Now let's take a break. And after that, we continue with the race. Don't forget, you may also eat some of this. Yummy sandwiches. I love it. Mukhang sarap naman to. Birdo, take a bite. I'm so hungry. I wish I could take another bite. Stay tuned for now, guys. And I need to rest my voice. We'll see you later after the break so that we can continue with the easy races. Let's go. Yup, we're gonna take a break first and we'll see you later right after this. Come on, Lexi, please kiss me because I'm so tired.